So today is the last day of Poseidon's Fury, so we're gonna have a Poseidon's Fury day. We're gonna take the entire day. We're gonna go around the Lost Continent, we're gonna try some treats. Saber's gonna get a pearl necklace, and then we're just gonna enjoy the last day of Poseidon's Fury being open. We're gonna try to ride it, but they were giving out these bracelets earlier today. We were not here in time to get one, but we're gonna try to sneak in there. Who knows? But let's go get you a pearl, Saber.
So in the Lost Continent, they have like an oyster picking experience where there's a lady at the counter and she has a bowl of oysters. You get to pick your oyster and then she opens it for you. There's a pearl inside. They have multiple different colors of pearls, and then you get to set your pearl in a piece of jewelry. So we've been walking past this booth for like literally 3 years, 4 years now, and I have wanted to do it every single time I pass. I'm like, Sean, I want to do that. So today we're hanging out right next to the counter, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
She dug really deep for this one, so
I know, this one, it must be
right?
special.
I hope it's
Oh.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
You're gonna wave it over your oyster. You're gonna say Opa Opa Oyster.
Opa Opa Oyster.
I was not ready for that.
It's a part of the experience of waking up the oyster so you can have the pearl that you wanted. And then we scrub, 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 scrub. This is taking out the outer layer of that nasty oyster, and it's also shining it up so you can reveal the true color of your pearl.
There you go. Put your DNA in there.
There. Perfect.
Which one did you pick?
I picked this one because my pearl's tiny and it's gonna fit perfect right there.
What is it?
It's a
Just
ring.
like a, I know it's a ring. Is that a flower?
That's where the pearl goes.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
See the stick?
Diamond thing.
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay. I didn't try the ring on, so what if it doesn't fit me after I buy it? So I got my pearl and it's beautiful. I decided to get a ring. She gave me a price list of like the different jewelry settings. She said that the rings start at $70, I believe. She said some of like the caged necklaces start at like $50. Don't quote me on that, the prices may change, but depending on like bracelets, necklaces, rings, they all have a different price set. So keep that in mind when you're picking the jewelry. Make sure you ask what the price is. This came out to like $118. You do have the option when you pick the pearl to take the pearl by itself for the $18.98 plus tax, so like $22, $20 to get the pearl by itself. Or you can pick the jewelry and then go up in price. So obviously I got the ring. I thought it was super cool to get the ring. I wear a lot of rings. So she gave me specific instructions. She put tape on here and I'm not allowed to open it for 36 hours so that the glue with the pearl on there can set so it doesn't fall off. So I can't try it on, and that's killing me. I want to try it on right now. So I can't take it out of the tape, but I love it. It's perfect. So the process was actually kind of creative. I didn't realize that there was like a whole spell process that you have to like bless your oyster, and like she gives you all these things that you have to do to like make sure your oyster's perfect. And super cool, they come in different colors. So I was really hoping for a pink one, but I pulled the white one and it's beautiful. I'm not mad about it, but there are rare black and pink pearls. So I want to try again already. That's how they get you to come back. They're like, you need to try and get a pink one. Can we do it again?
So we stopped in at the Fire Eaters. It's the quick service closest to Poseidon's Fury. You can get gyros here, you can get hot dogs here, but today we got some stuff that we've never had before. We got some desserts, and we got a gyro because, you know, how are you gonna have a Poseidon's Fury day without getting a gyro? You can't. So, we got 2 treats that we never had before. I didn't even know these were on the menu until today. Don't know how, but you know. So we got the Greek honey puffs, which is little puff balls with little puff things on them. You know what I mean? What are these things on top of them? Who knows? Let's see. That is literally, I call them elephant ears. What are they called? Funnel cake. It's literally like funnel cake, except, I won't even say except, it's super sweet, super light, super airy, super fluffy. These are delicious. I don't know why they call it honey though. I guess because there's a honey drizzle on top. But these are really good. These are great. 10 out of 10. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Next is very, very random, but they have edible cookie dough. Why? Why? You would think this would be at like. It's like carnival food. You got like I keep wanting to say elephant ears. You got the funnel cake and you got edible cookie dough, which I would assume would be at Two's Landing, but you know, whatever. You got it at Fire Eaters. It's edible cookie dough. I feel like this would be really good with like a coffee. It's edible cookie dough. You can get it at like your grocery store. Cool thing is though, both these treats that we just tried, $3.50. So they're not that expensive. But then again, you don't get that much. So, who knows? Is this good for you? Should I be eating this?
No.
Theme parks are gonna cause me to have some problems. Some health problems.
Okay, so we got one of the gyros to try. We've had the falafel gyro and that was super good, but we decided to try the chicken. It's crispy chicken gyro. It looks just like a chicken wrap. It's got like lettuce, tomato, onion, looks like mayonnaise and 2 chicken strips, but in a pita. So it looks like it's gonna be good. Have high expectations for this. I don't know how it could be bad. I don't want to get just pita. So I would give this a 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5. It is just chicken with the wrap contents like lettuce, tomato, onion. It's pretty basic, but I like it on a pita. It's different than just a regular fried chicken wrap, but it still is really good. The chicken's crispy, the vegetables are fresh, the pita's delicious. Okay, so comparison to the other gyro we had, I like the falafel gyro better just because of the falafel and the hummus. It's more unique. I like the spices better on that one. This one is basic compared to that one, but you can get the gyro as a combo with a choice of fries or hummus. So I mean, if you wanted to get this one as a combo and put the hummus on it, could be good. I don't know how fried chicken and hummus is together, but I would suggest the falafel one instead of this one, but they're both really good. So honestly, I thought I would never see the day that Poseidons Fury and Hagrid's are competing for the longest wait time in the park. Right now they're both at 60 minutes, which is really short for Hagrid's and really long for Poseidons Fury, so that is crazy. That is so weird to see. That's cool.
Where would we put it?
In the bathroom.
Oh.
People, after they wash their hands, they can just sit, smell, and leave.
Wow. Can the unicorns go in the bathroom too?
No, this one's going in the bathroom. This is scary.
Oh, that'd be the soap holder.
I'm gonna put my ring in that.
Oh, your pearl
I
ring.
kind of like the little screeching dragon on the top.
You could put the little plunger in the dragon right there. You could be holding it.
I'm gonna spend $60 on a plunger holder.
Could you imagine if you walked into somebody's guest bathroom and there's just all this stuff?
So this is super cool. They have like the family crest keychains. I never thought that I would find my name, but I did. And I'm covering it because I don't want you guys to stalk me on the internet, but I found mine.
So the shops in the Lost Continent are extremely cool, and you would just skip right by it if you actually don't look in what the shops are. Like the shop behind me got a whole bunch of dragon stuff, really cool. What's really cool about the shop is that behind the counter you have actual swords. So you can't actually take the sword and start swinging it around. You can only have them shipped to you, but they have them here. They range from like $200, $300. They look really cool. You can buy a shield if you want to, but they do have swords and shields at this shop. Awesome, right? So the other shops they have here, you can get your henna tattoos right next door. You can get your psychic reading, which is super cool. They have this little cupboard looking thing. They have this little room where you go in, you get your psychic reading. It's kind of private, which is awesome. You can also get flutes, get incense. They have magic rocks. They have crystals. They have almost everything you could ever want. So next time you guys are here, make sure you browse the little shops here. Look at actually what's in it, because there's a lot that we didn't know when we first started coming here, but from adventuring a little bit around the parks, we figured out there's some really cool stuff here in the Lost Continent.
So, side note about the family coat of arms keychains, they also have these big boards where you can find your name on here and like the country of origin, and there's like fun facts about it. So I just learned all about my family's history on accident.
At the beginning of the day, they were giving out wristbands for the last showing of Poseidon's Fury. They cut off everybody at like 7 o'clock. Could not go in if you don't have a wristband. Did not get a wristband because I work like a normal human being. So we're just kind of all standing around here waiting to see what kind of stuff happens. There's a whole crowd of people. A whole crowd. I don't know. What are we waiting for? Hopefully the Poseidon will part the seas and let us all in so that we can appreciate it one more time. Right, Saber? Right.
Like they're based off the resorts, like Dockside, Royal Pacific, Surfside, and then I don't know what these two are, but these three look like they're from the hotels. It smells like candy.
Does it smell like the hotel?
I've never been to the hotel, but I hope it smells like that because that smells good.
Oh, you never been to the hotel?
Not Dockside now.
Yeah.
This one doesn't smell good, but the other two smell good. Maybe we should take it to the hotel and go.
Like, no, it doesn't smell like that.
I would like to return this.
This one has to be the coolest one.
Oh my god.
I wonder what's behind it.
He's
It gets
wearing
better.
boots.
Oh, they're just playing
that was
chess.
just
That's not.
boring.
That's not.
Hold
That's
on,
just a
hold on. Let me make sure it's gonna impress you.
Oh, that's what they look like underneath the water.
You need that. It looks like your tattoo.
That does look like my tattoo. Nobody knows what my tattoo on here looks
These
like.
are
But that's
$20.
what it looks like.
Or this one. Oh,
Oh,
look, that's cute.
that's adorable.
What's wrong with his tube? He's got a
Yeah,
bandage.
She just had a little oopsies.
That's cute.
What are they eating?
They're holding a
Oh,
starfish.
they're not
just,
eating
like,
it. I like how it's
caressing it.
on his reflection on his thing.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
Okay, so they didn't let anybody in. Super sad. I was ready for one last go under the waters. Maybe we should have done it the other day instead of me saying, are we gonna ride it one more time? Absolutely not. But sad to see it go.
We should have.
You know,
But
no. But whatever.
Here we are.
Goodbye, Poseidon. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of us doing this. Hopefully, we'll do funner stuff when the video comes out on Sunday. I don't know. Because we're, fun people. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved the video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more of us at Universal, click on the video below me. Have a good night. Goodbye.